in the movie. It was 15 or 20 seconds ago. I remember it like it was just yesterday. Servo and I were fighting about God knows what, and you came in and separated us. After a smattering of dialogue, you discovered that you forgot why you're here. There, that should take care of it for you, Mike.
Well, your flashback was a little sketchy, and then it told me nothing.
Here, let me give it a shot. It was a few years back, long before this flashback. I saw two well-muscled Olympian figures locked in gymnasial sport. Suddenly the Kraken appeared, casting asunder the two demigods, and then engaging them in a Socratic symposium on the verisimilitude of memory. And then it starts to get a bit hazy.
That's amazing, Servo. You're better than that guy who wrote that thing about remembering stuff.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, spread out, you two naughty-tated mushrooms. I'll show you what actually happened. Okay, there's these two objects. I can't quite, okay, now big blue shadows. Man, this is awful. I can't make heads or tails out of it. Oh, wait a minute. I just figured it out. I remembered. I came up here to get my contacts.
Of course, it all makes sense now.
We'll be right back.
Hey, next time I'm gonna have a car chase in my flashback.
That was Alan Jackson.
Kim, hand me that map out of there. Okay.
We'll look at we for a while.
That sign back there said Sulphur River.
Are we there yet?
We're close. Got about a mile or so more.
Good. Finally can change these clothes.
Well, you can go ahead and change your clothes now if you want. That would be okay. No, really.
Man, these bushes are right on my bumper.
Thank goodness for the Jeep's braking distance of 500 yards.
Huh. He suddenly became a senior citizen.
Wait, we got firearms, but we don't have any liquor.
No, wait, Jeep.
Me and the Castrato will check this out.
Guess it fell out of the monster's pocket.
Posing for the spring break pictures.
Hey, Doc, what is it?
Mike is badge. It's
Oh.
Let's go look at it. No way, I'm not gonna go down there and look at a dead deer.
No, man. Oh, my friend's got me drunk and left me out here. What time is it, man?
Looks like a car or truck hit him not long ago. What happened to his head? I don't know. What happened to the car or truck is the question.
I don't believe any car or truck hit this deer.
Why do you say that?
Something on his right hind quarter.
Doesn't matter. Let's hit it down the road before somebody else runs over and has a wreck.
I still don't believe any car or truck hit this deer.
You need to work on your camel toe, son.
Well, doesn't matter, Charlie. Bobcat, something. Who knows? Maybe it belongs to the creature.
Hey, can I get a sheet or some underpants or something?
Well, your head has a retractable dome.
You know, this roadkill ain't that bad.